Hi everyone, Mukesh again. So first of all, I'm very happy that my video on Cisco Networking Academy course registration has been helpful to many students, and there are a good number of students who has utilized the opportunity for self-enrollment and free registration into the NETACAD courses through my video. Now, I have come up with this new video because a couple of weeks ago, Cisco has launched the new NETACAD platform. What it really did was it has integrated its two platforms, netacad.com and skillsforall.com, into a unified teaching and learning experience and came up with the new and exciting netacad.com platform. Some of the new features include mobile first design, flexibility for instructor-led and self-paced courses. It also has provisions for hybrid learning courses, which rightfully suit today's learning environment, or you can say that education, academic environment. Most of these features are quite exciting simply because of the flexibility they offer, both for the student as well as the instructor perspective. The new platform features more than 50 courses, including self-paced and instructor-led options in up to 18 languages. The courses cover key topics of advanced technologies or modern day requirements, such as cybersecurity, networking, artificial intelligence, data science, programming, IT, digital literacy, and professional skills as well. Earlier, there was many options for the students to self-enroll into these courses. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enroll yourself and or even create a free NetAcad account, even though you are not part of any networking academy, and still complete exciting courses like ethical hacking, data science, artificial intelligence, and whatnot, even on coding too. Okay, so without much delay, let me show you how it is done. So this is how your new NetAcad platform looks like. Go to the browser, type in www.netacad.com, and you can see this new and refreshing web page which contains a lot of information, unlike the old NetAcad. You can see that you can simply come here, click on explore subjects, which will take you to the different subject areas that are present over here. You can click on any subject domain that you are interested in. Let us say that if I am interested in networking, I just click on networking. It will take me to the areas or the courses that are covered under this networking domain. You can see, and it also lists the difficulty level of these courses. So it's a beginner, intermediate, and whether it is free or not. And also you can see that there are some courses which are called as instructor led, which you cannot self-enroll into these courses. For those ones, if you want to learn it and if you want to find out where you can find where you can enroll to study those courses, you can. There is also a pages. It's also written down here. You can see find an academy. You can type in your location. You can type your college name, whether it has got any link with Cisco or not. All this information is readily available even without you logging in the Networking Academy. There are usually two ways of creating an account on NetAcad. The first one is direct. You self-register yourself using the login page, which I am going to show you here. You simply click on login and it will take you to the login page where if you don't have any account, you can simply click on sign up and you can straight away give your details over here, and then you will be sent an email asking you to confirm the email address. Once that is done, you can straight away look at the different courses that are over there. The second option is you will be registered into a course by an instructor of your academy. If your college is having a tie-up or is having an active NetAcad platform or networking academy, then the instructors will define you some of the courses and will register using your email IDs. In that case, you will be getting an email from Cisco Networking Academy, and I'm now going to show you, if you receive such emails, how do you proceed from that point onwards to create your account and how do you browse the courses. Earlier, the look of the course structure and everything is quite different to what you're going to see now. And if you are wondering, sir, I don't have the new NetAcad, I'm currently doing a course which has been created using the old NetAcad. Now please remember that Networking Academy platform is also still available, and we call it as the legacy NetAcad. And if you want to click it, and if you want to find your course which you are currently part of, which hasn't been created recently, you simply come here and click on the legacy NETACAD link. This will take you to the old page, and then you click on login, you give your credentials and enter your credentials, and then you can see your courses or your completion. Everything is here. Okay, so let me show you. If you receive an email from the instructor, how do you create an account and how do you browse the courses? Okay, now you can see that, as I told you, if the instructor has enrolled you by using your email address, you will receive an email like this. So join Introduction to IoT and Digital Transformation. This IoT and Digital Transformation is the course for which the instructor has enrolled you. And you can see that the name of the academy is my college name, VR Siddhartha Engineering College. Now, once you receive such an email from the instructor, simply click on Accept Invitation. It will automatically take you to the page of Networking Academy. Now you can see that this is the page that I got when I clicked on that link. You can see this is my academy name, VR Siddhartha Engineering College. This is the particular course for which I am enrolled, and this is the instructor name who has enrolled you into that course, and the schedule for this course is also given over here, the languages, and what are all the achievements that you get. You get an Introduction to IoT course badge, you get the achievements link over here. This is an overview. And if you click on curriculum, it will give you the different modules that are there, what kind of concepts you are going to study in this particular course, what is the average duration of this course, what is the level of this course, and whether you are enrolled as self-paced or instructor-led course. All this information is written over here, and you can simply click on here, get started, and this should take you to the next page where you will be able to browse the course contents. Now, once I click this, it automatically has redirected me to this login page, isn't it? Now, the email ID which I gave, I have to enter it over here. There are two options that are listed for creation of your accounts, which is been given in your email as well. You can see accept the invitation, click on the green get started button, which we did, which has redirected us into this login page. And here there are two options. First thing is you directly enter your email address here and then click on forgot password, which will send you an email with the instructions of resetting it or creation of new passwords. Alternatively, you can also do this. You simply use your Google account for which you have been enrolled to, and then using that Google account credentials, you can log in. So I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first one. I'm just going to give the email ID for which I received my link of activation from my instructor, and then I'm going to click on the forgot password. So it is going to take me to the page. So it is asking me to re-enter it. I did that and submit it. Okay. So I should be receiving an email with the further instructions for creation of my password so that I can enter into the Networking Academy using this email. So let me show you. Yes, you can see I got this instructions to reset. If you request this password reset, all is written down here, and you can see this link is unique to you and it will expire in 12 hours. So reset password. It is going to give me the instructions of what to do, and this is asking me. And before setting up your new password, please go through the password requirements. It says 8 characters, a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, one special character, and it should not match your email ID and should be case sensitive, and it cannot be any of your last 3 passwords. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give my new password for this. Okay, and if it did not satisfy the requirements, it won't accept your new password. Please do keep that in mind as well. Okay, so I just submitted it. Hopefully it will accept my password and it will allow me to log in into the Networking Academy account. There you go. It is taking me through, and this is the terms and conditions. Please remember that I'm a new user for this Networking Academy, so it is giving me all these details, and I would say I would have read and terms and conditions, And if you want, you would like to, if you want, you can click this, where you get updates, regular updates from the Cisco Networking Academy regarding any offers or new courses that are being launched, but it's completely up to you. Then click on accept and continue. Once you click that, once you accept the terms and conditions of Networking Academy, it should now take you to your NETACAD page. There you go. This is what you see in your Networking Academy page. You can see that whatever name is given, it is coming over here on your top right hand side, and this is the course. This is the course which has been enrolled for you by the instructor of your academy. If you can just go click here, it will take you to this course page where you can browse the contents, start reading it, and uh, I I really liked the user experience with this particular kind of reading. You can simply scroll through all the contents one after the another. Earlier, it was a little bit difficult where you need to click next, 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 and this is far better to the old one. You can directly go to wherever you want in this module. You can go to, let us say, the growth of IoT devices. You can directly go here to the video. These are the list of the contents that are written over here. You can reduce the size. You can adapt it to whichever way you like to read it. And just like before, you can see that for each and every course, there is a course final exam and an end of course survey. If I were you, I would do the course end of course survey first and then only attempt the course final exam. This one also, you need to click on this like this and then go towards the end and then submit it. Okay. Once you fill all these questions, you go down and click on it. So this is done. Thank you for your feedback. This is all done, and succeed in your career path. Now you need to go into the course final exam. This is the course final exam. Once you studied everything, you just go and click on the answers. It will tell you there are 32 questions and which you need to score at least 70% to pass and obtain your Cisco achievement. Once you take up the exam and all done, you can directly come out. Now, if you want to come outside of this, you simply click on your Cisco Networking Academy, or you just click here, which you can do it, which you can study in the full screen mode. And these are the resources. If you want, there are other resources here, or like your packet tracer, PKA files and everything you can download onto your system and you can still work it. Okay, so once you want to close this and you want to browse others, click on the close button over there. It will bring back to your NETACAD page. Now, if you're really interested and excited to study different courses and other courses, click on browse catalog. It will take you to all the free courses that are readily available for you. You can even select the category, you can select the language and all these things. Now, let us say if the catalog, cybersecurity is here, networking. Now, I'm personally interested in cybersecurity. Click on this and you can see there are different courses that are over there. You can simply click the button over here to see all the courses that are listed under cybersecurity. It's just not the 3 courses, or you can simply click on view all. It will give you an entire list. You can see this is the one which I'm very much interested in, ethical hacker. Just go through it if you are really interested in. If you're not interested in cybersecurity, what you can do is you can simply go and click on AI data science and you can click on view all the courses. It will give you the list of all the courses that are grouped under this AI and data science category. Okay, this is how you create. You can enroll yourself into these courses also. If your instructor doesn't do it, and if you are really interested to learn this course, you are free. Everything is free here. There is no need of paying any money for each and every course. Let us say that if you are interested in this data analytics essentials, you simply click on it and get started with self-paced. You can also find all the details here. You can see that it gives you a course badge and the contents are listed over here. You can simply click on this to see whether the contents suit you or not, whether it excites you or not. Done. So this is how you create your account if you receive an email directly from the instructor via the Cisco Networking Academy. The other way around it is I can simply directly go to Cisco Networking Academy page and you can simply click on sign up, give your email IDs. So hopefully this is going to give you a better understanding and should give you an easy access to Networking Academy courses. As I promised earlier, uh, you can create a free account on Networking Academy, and you can almost do most of those courses for free of cost, because whichever course is under the category of self-paced, you can enroll them. And for those courses which are labeled as instructor-led, you need to have a qualified instructor in your academy to offer those courses to you. In such cases, you can look for an academy within your location and then approach that particular instructor through email or through other means and request them to enroll you into that particular course. So if you have any other queries regarding the courses, you can always let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much, and good luck everyone.